Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fit the water-to-water filter system, which connects to the flexible hoses under your kitchen tap just like the setup shown on the website where you purchased this product. Unboxing and parts check. A base sticker. Some informational materials. The filter unit itself, securely packed in foam. Spare washers, flexible connectors, a check valve. Planning installation. Have a quick check under your sink, make sure there are no leaks and that everything is dry. Then, decide on a good location for your filter. Ideally, choose a spot that's easy to reach for future maintenance. I've chosen a tidy little spot here that works perfectly. Now grab your flexible connectors and locate your cold water isolation valve. This is also known as a Balifix valve. If you don't have one for the tap alone, you might need to turn off your main water supply. Setting the filter reminder. Before we go any further, set up your yearly reminder alarm. Just insert the battery and hold the button for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. This will remind you when it's time to change the filter. Turning off the water. Once you've found your isolation valve, use a flathead screwdriver to turn it off. Mine was a bit stiff, so it took a bit of effort. After that, turn on the cold tap to make sure the water has been fully shut off. Disconnecting the old pipework. Now, use adjustable grips and a spanner to undo the nut on top of the isolation valve. Be ready with a towel or some kitchen roll, as there will be a bit of water left in the pipe. Connecting the flexible hoses. Next, connect the male end of the flexible connector to the female tail of the kitchen tap. Make sure the black washer is inside. Tighten it hand tight first, then give it a final turn with your tools but not too tight. Over-tightening can squash the washer and cause leaks. Dry the area off so you can clearly see if any leaks occur when you turn the water back on later. Routing and final connections. Route your hoses neatly. I've tucked mine behind the waste trap for a clean finish. Now take the female flexer from the box and connect it to the male isolation valve. From the kitchen tap tail, female gives connect the male flexor from the isolation valve. Male gives connect the female flexor from the isolation valve. Run the hose to the in port on the filter from the out port on the filter. Go back to the tap. Make sure to match the in and out markings on the filter housing. They're clearly labeled on the side and top. Now you can connect the hoses to the filter, but be careful. Once they're in, you'll need a special tool to remove them. Tighten the connections gently but firmly again. Don't over-tighten. Final checks and flushing. Now slowly turn the isolation valve back on and check for any leaks. If everything's dry, open the cold tap and run it for 5 minutes. This helps flush out any debris and activates the filter. And that's it, your water-to-water filter is now installed and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.